Teach you something new today. We had learned that orbital diagrams were just one of the three main ways of representing electron configurations. Longhand configurations and shorthand configurations are the other two ways of representing the position of electrons in the atom. So to begin to learn about how to write long and shorthand configurations, we have to understand this concept, and that is the electrons are represented in these configurations using superscripts instead of arrows. And this is actually going to be easier for us. As just a distinction between, to understand what a superscript is, subscripts are small numbers, and they are found on the bottom. Remember, sub is like subway. So this subscript here, this prefix rather of this word means underneath, like a subway. Example would be an H2O. The 2 is a superscript. Is a subscript, rather. It's a small number and it's found on the bottom of the formula. Superscripts are small numbers as well, but they're found on the top. And super means you're above. So remember, it's kind of like Superman that's flying. So how does this look like in the work that we're doing? If we look here and we want to look at our um, longhand configuration, what it would be for phosphorus, for example, what we would do, we just take the subshell designation. That's what I'm going to do now. 1s. Now in the 1s, we have 1, 2. So our superscript becomes 2. That's a mess. Try and write that a little bit better. One S2. So let's save that. So here we see the subshell, and then we have our superscript, which is a smaller number, and it is on the top. Then you write the next one. 2s, and in the 2s, there are 1, 2. And then we'll save that. 2p, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2p, 6. And then we can save that. And we have 3s2. That. Computer's always deleting stuff. And then we have the 3p. So 3p. And you have 1, 2, 3 arrows. Then how can you check yourself? The way you check yourself is by adding up all of the superscripts. So 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 6 is 10, plus 2 is 12, plus 3 is 15. And phosphorus is atomic number 15.